Hi, I'm Ronalyn. Our topic for today is a Sure model. What is a Sure model? How does it work? Let's find out. A Sure model is a guide in crafting an instructional flow that can guide the teacher in integrating appropriate technology and media into the instructional process. It is composed of 6 essential steps in planning instruction. 6 essential steps in planning instruction. The analyze learners, state objectives, select methods, media and material, utilize methods, media and material, require learners' participation, and evaluate student performance. Analyze learners. Before you begin, identify who your students are. Evaluate their general characteristics, age, grade level, cultural background, specific entry competencies, prerequisite knowledge and skills, and preferred learning styles so you can tailor the instruction to their needs. State objectives. Determine the specific learning objectives or standards for the lesson. These outline exactly what the student will accomplish by the end of the instruction. Well-defined objectives typically follow the ABCD format: audience, behavior, conditions, and degree. Select methods, media, and material. Choose the instruction strategies, technology, media formats, and materials that will help students achieve the stated objectives. You can modify existing materials, design new ones, or select commercially available options that best fit the lesson plan. Utilize media and material. This step involves implementing the chosen strategies and media in the classroom. To ensure success, follow the 5P's process. Preview the materials in advance, prepare the materials and equipment, prepare the environment, prepare the learners, and provide the learning experience. Require learner participation. Design activities that require active engagement and practice the content. Instead of passive listening, students should be given opportunities to discuss, practice, or apply what they have learned, accompanied by immediate feedback. And the last, evaluate and revise after the instruction. Assess both the student success in meeting the learning objectives and the overall effectiveness of the teaching method, media and material. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and refine the lesson for future use.